everyone. Welcome back to our channel AIXPro.in. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of brand refreshes. Recently, several big-name companies have unveiled new looks to stay relevant and connect with their audiences. Let's take a closer look at some of these transformations. A brand refresh is more than just a new logo or color scheme. It's a strategic move to modernize a company's image, reflect its evolving values, and resonate with current and future customers. Companies often undertake these refreshes to stay competitive and adapt to changing market trends. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about these exciting brand refreshes. Do you have a favorite rebrand or any thoughts on these transformations? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching. AIXPro.in videos.